Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Discord right on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro and I just downloaded the Discord app from the App Store. And this is what it looks like when you first open up the app. So if you don't have an account yet, then what you want to do is select register. And then you have two different ways in which you can sign up. You can either use your phone number or you can use your email. So I'll go ahead and use my email. And then once you have put in your email, then you need to come up with a username and a password. So I'll just go ahead and have my username be BroTalksTech. And then the next thing you'll have to do is enter your birthday using these sliders below. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and tap on create account. And then once you put in your birthday and you selected create account, it's going to go through a couple different things here. One, you can turn on notifications if you would like. And the next thing you'll do is create your server. And this is basically where you and your friends can hang out and talk to each other. You have a couple different options. You can create your own, or you can select from one of the templates down below. I'm going to go ahead and just select artists and creators because I consider myself a creative person. The next thing that Discord will ask you is if this is for a large community or if it's just for you and a handful of friends. So now I have my BroTalksTech server here. If I want to, I can go ahead and upload a picture by selecting the plus button and adding from there. If I'm satisfied with everything, then what we're going to do next is just select create server. And then as always, if you want to, you can go ahead and share this link directly to your friends. And then the really nice thing about Discord is it's kind of going to walk you through a little bit of a tutorial here. So I recommend that you go through that and you pay attention to it. And once you have completed it, then you're pretty much set and ready to go. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.